I don't have a favorite number, I really don't. Pencils are the only ones with lines.
I'm a dictionary, and you better believe it. Watch for lines. I hate you.
I have a tattoo.